Hello and welcome. In this video, I like to show the behind the scenes process of how I creating relaxing rain ambience videos for this channel. I will explain how I design the visual, edit the video, and adjust the audio manually with AI used only as a creative tool. Let's go. Every video starts with a concept. For each project, I read different prompts including the type of forest, rain intensity, lighting, and camera composition. I refined this prompt several times until the atmosphere matched the relaxing purpose. I usually generate multiple visual variations and then manually select the best result. From the generated visual, I compare details such as rain movement, forest depth, and camera stability. I select the visual that feel the most natural and comfortable to watch for a longer duration. Next is the rain sound design. I manually adjust the rain audio layer, balance the volume, and fine-tune the sound character to create a natural calming experience. The audio is not copied directly from previous videos, and I adjust individually for each project. After both visual and audio are complete, I do a final review before rendering. Each video is rendered separately as a single continuous ambient experience. This is a brief overview of my workflow for creating relaxing rain ambience video on this channel. The entire process is manually controlled, with AI used only as a supporting tool. Thank you for watching.